Hater pipe time. Alright guys, so we are pulling the exhaust off here. You can't see it right now, but I have a V-band clamp that's right at the front of the passenger door. So yank it, pull the exhaust off, pull the muffler portion of the exhaust off. Now we're pulling the hood, and then I'm fixing to pull the upper part of the exhaust in a moment. Now, if y'all haven't seen the video where I build all this, I'll link it up here in the corner. But boy, it does kind of badass stuff sometimes. Look how ugly them welds are. But they held. Almost. It's like you need something to. I told you you're gonna have to end up cutting that hood. I mean, oh, I ain't cutting that hood. I'll put a shitty hood on it. There you go. I mean, what do you think? Is that too much hater? This right here, you think?
It's quite big.
Maybe cut it to like here.
Yeah, that's just that. It takes about 4 to 6 inches off of it.
Cool. We've never had a pipe on the wastegate, so obviously I needed to do that. And if you're going to build a hater pipe, you've got to have this set up here that just dumps right to the atmosphere. And me with my infinite fabbing skills and quick let's throw this together ability here, got most of the pipe together, and then had a huge gap about the width of my pinky. So Steven came in and filled that gap, and because I was complaining about it, and he's like, just give it to me here, I'll knock it out. So he did, of course. Looks great. Looks better than all the rest of my welds. So more of my welding ability here, welding the O2 bung on the piping here. We had a really good run of bung hole jokes there. Just couldn't put those in on the video because I was working too hard. Alright, everybody knows V-bands are amazing, so we are mounting those up, and we're fixing to start this thing. Guys, I absolutely love it. After the initial startup videos and me backing it out, there are some burnout videos, which is the whole reason we built this.